Quality management, TQM. Concept and organizational philosophy. Total quality management, TQM, represents a holistic management philosophy aimed at embedding quality consciousness across all organizational levels. It redefines quality as a collective responsibility rather than a departmental function. TQM emphasizes prevention over inspection, employee empowerment, and customer centricity. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement, TQM enhances efficiency, reliability, and customer satisfaction. The focus is on doing things right the first time, reducing the cost of failures and waste. Organizations implementing TQM typically establish cross-functional teams, feedback systems, and training initiatives to sustain improvement momentum. The philosophy aligns with Deming's principles, where quality drives productivity and cost reduction through systemic thinking and shared accountability. Impact on efficiency and costs. TQM's focus on process consistency and prevention directly enhances efficiency. By standardizing procedures and identifying sources of variation, TQM reduces rework, scrap, and downtime. Quality tools such as Six Sigma and Statistical Process Control, SPC, enable data-driven decision-making. The reduction in defects translates to lower internal and external failure costs, which are key components of the cost of quality (COQ) framework. Preventive measures, such as employee training, supplier quality audits, and process monitoring, incur upfront costs but yield long-term savings. Efficiency gains stem from fewer disruptions, improved morale, and better use of resources. Consequently, TQM fosters a virtuous cycle where quality drives cost reduction and customer loyalty, reinforcing profitability. Relationship with JIT and synergistic benefits. TQM and JIT are closely interlinked philosophies. JIT requires high-quality inputs to operate without buffers, while TQM provides the assurance of defect-free production. Both approaches focus on waste elimination, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction. TQM ensures that each process step is reliable, reducing variability and supporting JIT's pull-based system. The integration of TQM and JIT creates synergy. TQM strengthens process stability, while JIT enhances flow efficiency. When applied together, these methodologies drive world-class operational performance characterized by low inventory, high quality, and rapid responsiveness. This compatibility explains their joint application in leading manufacturing systems such as Toyota's production system. Cost of quality and continuous improvement. A central component of TQM is cost of quality reporting, which categorizes costs into prevention, appraisal, internal failure, and external failure costs. By tracking these categories, management identifies where investment yields the highest return. Preventive costs, training, process design, and maintenance are preferable to failure costs that damage reputation and profitability. Continuous improvement, or Kaizen, complements this by ensuring that quality enhancements are incremental and sustainable. Together, TQM and Kaizen create an environment where defects are viewed as opportunities for learning rather than blame. The systematic reduction of failure costs through preventive action drives sustainable cost reduction and customer loyalty. Organizational culture and leadership commitment. TQM's success depends heavily on leadership and culture. Senior management must demonstrate commitment by setting quality objectives, empowering employees, and integrating quality metrics into performance appraisal. Quality circles, suggestion schemes, and open communication channels encourage employee engagement. A quality-driven culture also aligns departmental objectives with the organization's strategic vision. The result is an empowered workforce that takes ownership of quality outcomes. Unlike short-term cost control initiatives, TQM creates enduring behavioral change where every employee contributes to efficiency and improvement. The long-term impact includes enhanced innovation, resilience, and reputation, key drivers of sustained profitability. Comparison to JIT, Kaizen, and re-engineering. While TQM shares JIT's focus on waste elimination, its foundation lies in quality assurance and organizational culture rather than scheduling or flow control. In contrast to Kaizen's incremental improvements, TQM provides the framework for continuous improvement across all functions. Process re-engineering differs from TQM in its radical approach. TQM evolves existing systems, whereas re-engineering replaces them entirely. TQM's key advantage is sustainability. Improvements are gradual, cumulative, and embedded in the organizational ethos. However, it can be slower to yield results compared to re-engineering. Overall, TQM serves as the cultural backbone of modern quality and lean initiatives, supporting both operational efficiency and strategic differentiation.